Welcome to my Harbor Compliance Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're a business owner, nonprofit leader, or entrepreneur looking for reliable compliance solutions, Harbor Compliance is likely on your radar. So, what exactly do they offer, and is it worth your time? Harbor Compliance is a comprehensive service designed to help businesses with various compliance needs, from entity formation, registered agent services, and annual reports to licensing and tax registrations. One of its biggest selling points is the personalized customer service. Each client is assigned a dedicated compliance specialist. This feature is a standout because it ensures you have direct access to an expert who understands your unique business needs, rather than having to navigate through generic customer support. The platform itself is built for businesses of all sizes, but it's especially helpful for companies operating across multiple states or industries with complex regulatory requirements. Harbor Compliance helps ensure that your business stays in good standing with the state and avoids costly penalties. For nonprofits, they offer specialized services for 501c3 applications and fundraising registrations, which is crucial for staying legally compliant while accepting donations. The process is user-friendly, and the platform's dashboard provides a clear, at-a-glance overview of your compliance status across different states or areas, which helps streamline your administrative tasks. However, it's important to note that Harbor Compliance is not the cheapest option available. It's a premium service, and with that comes a higher price point. If you're a small business or startup on a tight budget, you might find the cost prohibitive compared to DIY options. That said, if peace of mind, personalized service, and efficiency are what you're after, the investment can be worth it. In conclusion, Harbor Compliance delivers excellent value for businesses and nonprofits that need help navigating complex compliance landscapes. The personalized support and comprehensive tools make it a top choice, but weigh the cost based on your specific needs.